Greetings to all. Welcome back to online class. Today we are going to learn the last part of the lesson 8 Nationalism Gandhian Phase. Okay, this is the last part of this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn many things. Okay, first of all, important years and events. Okay, and second one, we are going to learn timeline, how to draw the timeline. Okay, third one, map part. Fourth one, some additional one word answers, that is very important one word questions. Okay, all these things we are going to learn in this session. Okay, first of all, important years and events. This is very important, and this timeline, it is a 5-mark question. Map also is there, that is also very important. Okay, first of all, important years and events. First one, 1905, partition of Bengal, Swadeshi movement. Two incidents, two events. 1906, formation of Muslim League. Again, Swadeshi Steam Navigation Company started. Okay, 1907, Surat split. 1908, Chota Nagpur Tenancy Act. 1909, Minto-Morley Reforms Act. 1914, outbreak of First World War. 1916, Home Rule League. Again, one more, Lucknow Pact. 1917, August Declaration. One more event, Champaran Satyagraha. 1918, Keda Satyagraha. One more event, end of First World War. 1919, Rowlatt Act, Jallianwala Bagh tragedy, Montagu Chelmsford reforms. Okay, 1919, 3 events. Rowlatt Act, Jallianwala Bagh tragedy, Montagu Chelmsford reforms. 1920, Khilafat movement, non-cooperation movement. Khilafat movement and non-cooperation movement, 1920. 1922, Chowri Chowra incident. One more, suspension of non-cooperation movement. 1923, formation of Swarajya Party. 1924, Hindustan Republican Army, HRA. Hindustan Republican Army, HRA was formed. 1927, formation of Simon Commission. 1928, arrival of Simon Commission to India. 1928, one more event, Motilal Nehru report. 1929, Lahore Congress. 1930, Salt Satyagraha, first round table conference, civil disobedience movement, Dandi March, 4 events. Okay, 1930, Salt Satyagraha, first round table conference, civil disobedience movement, Dandi March. 1931, Gandhi-Irwin Pact, second round table conference. Second round table conference is also there in 1931. 1932, Pune Pact, Communal Award, third round table conference. Okay, Pune Pact, Communal Award, third round table conference. 1935, Government of India Act. 1937, first Congress Ministry in provinces. 1939, Beginning of Second World War. 1940. August offer. Demand for Pakistan. Individual Satyagraha. Individual Satyagraha. 1942. Arrival of Cripps Mission and Quit India Movement. Arrival of a Cripps Mission, Quit India Movement. 1945. Wavell Plan. Wavell Plan. Simla Conference. Simla Conference. End of Second World War. End of Second World War. 1946. Cabinet Mission. Interim Government. Royal Indian Navy Revolt. 3 events. Cabinet Mission. Interim Government. Royal Indian Navy Revolt. 1947. India became independent. Mountbatten Plan. Indian Independence Act. India became independent. Mountbatten Plan. Indian Independence Act. 1948. Assassination of Gandhi. Assassination of Gandhi. 1950. India became republic. India became a republic. Indian Constitution came into force. Indian Constitution came into force. Okay. These are the important years and events. Okay. Important years and events. All the children should study this one. Okay. Everyone should study without any mistake. Okay, children. Next we will see timeline. Next we will see timeline. Okay. First of all, what is timeline? Okay, timeline. The events in between 2 years. The events in between 2 years. Any 2 years. Any 2 years. For example, 1885 to 1920, 1905 to 1930, 1910 to 1940, 1930 to 1950, any 2 years, in between 2 years. Here I am taking one question, that is 1905 to 1930. 1905 to 1930. So the question is 1905 to 1930. Now, how to draw this timeline? How to draw this timeline? I'll explain here. Take one scale and one pencil. Okay. Keep the scale like this. Draw a line without measuring. No need to measure. Okay. And keep the scale like this. Draw a small line. Okay. Draw a small line. And again, want to keep like this. Already I said no need of measuring. Okay. No need of measuring. Okay. And I selected the question, that is 1905 to 1930. 1905 to 1930. Here we need to write a scale. SCALE scale. Scale, that is 1 unit is equal to 5 years. 5 years. 1 unit is equal to 5 years. How can we calculate that 1 unit? 1 unit. Here, come here. Now, see the question. First one, 1905. So, draw the line like this. Okay. And write this year 1905. Okay. 1905 to 1930. Here 1905. 1906, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here 1910. Okay. Draw the line like this and write 1910. Okay. So now you can understand. 1 unit is equal to 5 years here. Okay. 1 unit is equal to 5 years. Here is it. Next, 1911, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. 1911. 15. Okay. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 19, 20. Is it clear? Next, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 19, 25. Okay, 1925. Here we need up to 1930. Up to 1930 we need. So 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 1930. So 1905, 1910, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay. Now want to close this one like this. Okay, close this one like this. This remaining part don't want. Now we are going to find out the events. We are going to write the events. For 1 year, one event enough. Okay, we learned and we know many events for each year. So only one event is enough. Here 1905, that is, here want to write like this, 1905. Okay, and here it is partition of Bengal. Partition of Bengal. You can write any incident suitable for this year. Okay. Again, you can write Swadeshi movement also. Swadeshi movement also. Okay. Next, I am selecting here, that is 1916. 1916. That is Home Rule League. Okay. Here, Home Rule League. Okay. Next, I am going to select 1919. 1919, that is Rowlatt Act. Rowlatt Act. Okay. Next again, many incidents we can write. For 1919 Jallianwala Bagh tragedy we can write. For 1916 Lucknow Pact we can write. Okay. Okay, 1922. I am going to select 19. Here is 20, 21, 22. Okay. 1922. That is Chauri Chaura incident. Okay. Chauri Chaura incident. Is it clear? Chauri Chaura incident. Next 1927. Here 25, 26, 27. So 1927. That is Simon Commission. Okay. Simon Commission. So how many incidents? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here 1930. 1930 is there. 1929 Lahore session and 1930 Salt Satyagraha. Okay. 1929 Lahore session. 1930 Salt Satyagraha. Like that we can write. So 5 incident. This is timeline. Okay. First of all you have to see the question and want to write the scale. Okay. 1 unit is equal to 5 years and this 5 years here like this. 5 here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, is it clear? Like that you have to write. And 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Like that 1905 to 1930. For each year, write only one incidents only. Okay, up to 1927. So 5 incidents. Already I said 1929, that is Lahore session you can write. 1930 Salt Satyagraha, because we need 5 incidents, no, 5 events, no. This is enough. This only. This is the model of timeline. Now it is very easy to you to draw the timeline. Okay. Okay, we will revise again. That is timeline revision. Here, 2 questions. Okay, 2 questions. Draw a timeline for the following. Write any 5 important events between 1905 to 1930. That's the first question. Second question, 1930 to 1950. You know, first of all question and write scale. That is 1 unit is equal to 5 years. Here 1905 partition of Bengal, 1916 Lucknow Pact, 1919 Rowlatt Act, 1920 non-cooperation movement, 1930 Salt Satyagraha. Okay, 1930 Salt Satyagraha. Again the next question, that is 1930 to 1950. Same procedure, only scale need to write. And here I selected 1931 Gandhi Irwin Pact, 1935 Government of India Act, Act. 1940, August of 1942, Quit India Movement. 1947, India got independence. Okay. 1931, Gandhi-Irwin Pact. 1935, Government of India Act. 1940, August of 1942, Quit India Movement. 1947, India got independence. Okay. This much about the timeline. Next we will see map. That is important places of Indian national movement. That is from the year 1900 to 1947. 1900 to 1947. Here some important places. First one, Lahore, Amritsar, Delhi, Lucknow, Kanpur, Chauri Chaura, Jhansi, Ahmedabad, Champaran, Bardoli, Pune, Vedaranyam, Dandi. Okay, all these places are the important places of Indian national movement. First of all, Lahore, about Lahore. Lahore session of the Congress in 1929. Their anti-Rowlatt protest was also there in Lahore. Amritsar. Jallianwala Bagh. We can remember Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Jallianwala Bagh is in Amritsar. In 1919, Jallianwala Bagh tragedy occurred. Reginald Dyer, British general, was responsible for this massacre. Next, Delhi. It's our capital city. Okay, it's our capital city. Lucknow is the capital of UP. Lucknow Pact was signed in 1916. Next, Kanpur, that is in UP. Congress session was in 1925. Congress session was held in Kanpur in the year 1925. Next, Chauri Chaura, that is also in Uttar Pradesh. Chauri Chaura incident occurred in the year 1922. Next, Jhansi. You can remember Rani of Jhansi. She fought bravely and captured Gwalior. Okay, Gwalior. Next, Ahmedabad. Sabarmati Ashram is here. Gandhiji started his famous Dandi March from Sabarmati Ashram. Okay, now Champaran. Champaran is in Bihar. Tinkatia system was there. Tinkatia system, that is a very important one. That is Champaran. Champaran is in Bihar. Tinkatia system, one exploitative system. That is Bardoli. Next one, Bardoli Satyagraha in 1928 was led by Patel. Bardoli Satyagraha. Next, Pune Pact was signed in the year 1932. Next, Vedaranyam. Vedaranyam was on Tanjore coast. Rajaji organized a march from Trichy to Vedaranyam. Next, Dandi. Dandi is a village in Gujarat sea coast. So, these are the places. In these places, Indian national movement occurred. Once again, Lahore, Amritsar, Delhi, Lucknow, Kanpur, Chauri Chaura, Jhansi, Ahmedabad, Champaran, Bardoli, Pune, Dandi, Vedaranyam. Okay, these are the important places of Indian national movement. Next part, that is next we are going to see some important one-word answers. Okay, one-word question answers. First one. In which country did Gandhiji fight for the civil rights of the Indians? Answer, South Africa. Second question. In 1929, Congress session was held in Dash, Lahore. Question number 3. C.R. Das, that is Sitaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru formed the Dash Swaraj Party. Question number 4. Dash returned his knighthood. Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 5. In Dash, the Tinkatia system was practiced. Champaran. Question number 6. Gandhi called the Dash a black act. Rowlatt Act. Okay, Rowlatt Act. Question number 7. The first president of India was Dash. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 8. Dash was seriously injured and died during the boycott of Simon Commission. Lala Lajpat Rai. Question number 9. Gandhiji sailed to Dash to study law, England. Okay, England. Question number 10. The pact signed between Gandhi and Ambedkar was dash Pune Pact. Pune Pact. Question number 11. Salt Satyagraha was the biggest mass movement in India. That is, dash was the biggest mass movement in India. Answer Salt Satyagraha. First roundtable conference was held at dash London. London. 13. Russian Revolution broke out in dash 1917. Russian Revolution broke out in the year 1917. Gandhi set out Dundee march from dash Sabarmati Ashram. Sabarmati Ashram. Hindustan Republican Army was formed in dash Kanpur. Kanpur. In 1934, the Muslim League was revived by dash Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. 17. Subhash Chandra Bose formed dash party Forward Bloc Party. Forward Bloc Party. Dash organized the Kudai Kitmadgar, okay, also known as Red Shirts. Dash organized the Kudai Kitmadgar, also known as Red Shirt. Okay, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Dash united the different political parties in India. Simon Boycott. Simon Boycott. In 1930, Chittagong Armory raid was carried out by Surya's son. Surya's son. Now question number 21. In August 1940, Viceroy Dash made an offer in return for Congress support for the war effort. Lord Linlithgow. Linlithgow. Dash was the first to offer Satyagraha on 17th October 1940. Vinoba Bhave. Vinoba Bhave. Dash gave a call for do or die Gandhiji. The Women's Brigade of Indian National Army was named after Rani of Jhansi. Rani of Jhansi. Dash wanted to give independence to India. Clement Attlee. Clement Attlee. Next question number 26. Dash was sent as viceroy to India with the specific task of transfer of power. Answer Lord Mountbatten. Lord Mountbatten. Dash defeated the Pattabi Sitaramaya and became the president of the Congress in 1939. Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 28. In dash, Gandhi decided to discard his robes and wear a simple dhoti. Answer Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. 29. Subhash Chandra Bose gave the slogan Delhi Chalo. Subhash Chandra Bose gave the slogan dash. Answer Delhi Chalo. Dash was tried in Kakori conspiracy case. Dash was tried in the Kakori conspiracy case. Ram Prasad Biswal. Ram Prasad Biswal is the answer. Now question number 31. Dash was one of the members of cabinet mission A.V. Alexander. A.V. Alexander. In dash, Second World War broke out 1939. 1939. Indian National Army was deployed as part of the dash forces, Japanese forces. Now 34. Boundary Commission was set up under Radcliffe Brown. Radcliffe Brown is the answer. Dash coined the term Pakistan, Rahmat Ali. Rahmat Ali. 36. Gandhi was in dash when India attained independence. Noakhali. Noakhali. 37. The Harijan tour was undertaken by dash Gandhiji. 38. After 1937 elections, coalition government was formed in dash Assam. 39. Jinnah declared 16th August 1946 as the dash Direct Action Day. Direct Action Day. The Indian Forest Act was passed in the year 1878. Answer 1878. 41. Indians in the Transvaal had to pay a dash of 3 pounds. Poll tax. Poll tax. Gandhi established the dash in 1905. Phoenix Settlement. Phoenix Settlement. The Ahmedabad mill strike occurred in the year 1918. 1918 is the answer. Integration of Indian states was an achievement of Patel. Okay, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Subhash Chandra Bose was popularly known as Netaji. Netaji is the answer. The Indian Constitution was formally adopted on dash January 26, 1950. January 26, 1950. The Royal Indian Navy ratings revolted at dash in February 1946, Bombay. Bombay is the answer. Gandhiji's father was a Diwan of dash Porbandar. Porbandar. Dash was responsible for Jallianwala Bagh massacre. General Reginald Dyer. General Reginald Dyer, who was the head of the Muslims all over the world, answer the Caliph of Turkey. This is the last question. Question number 50. Okay, children, with this, I finish today's session. Okay, and I will meet you in the next session with the next lesson. Okay, children, prepare well. Okay, bye children. Thank you. Take care.